Hi, I'm the Swedish maker, and today I'm going to make a 3D printed Batman cowl. Here I have applied plastic molding to the entire first print, and I tried to use as little as I could, but eventually I had to sand a lot of it off. Here I'm using spray filler. This is the third coat. I've sanded in between. Ideal. The whole cowl with black paint. We'll see how it turns out when it's dried up, but it's quite okay. On the spots where some spots I had to dry and wipe it off, and I have to repaint it and maybe sand a bit, but all in all I think it's okay. We'll see how it turns out when it's dried up. I tried different methods, a lot of sanding, plastic molding, wood filler, spray filler, and all in all it turned out okay. I used magnets to hold the last part of the 3D print in place. The magnets work okay, but I need to put in some more magnets. I just drilled a hole and glued small magnets into place.